Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the ntdll.dll error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. So I will just share to you a very simple resolution for this. So in the Windows search bar, you need to type here cmd, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Then the block window will appear. So here is the thing, do not forget to click on run as administrator so that the command will work. Type here sfc space forward slash scan now. Do the same thing as what I have typed here. It's sfc space forward slash scan now. Then you have to simply hit enter. So beginning of the system scan, this process will take some time. Now it depends on your Windows. So what you can simply do, we just need to wait for this. So it really takes patience. Let's wait for this in a while so that we can run the second command, because this will differ from Windows to Windows for the duration of the process. Now, I will really show you the complete process for the first command so that I can show you how to input the second command. Okay, so let's just wait for this. Now, once the process is done, you need to type here the second command, dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. So do the same thing. You can also pause the video to see the command. Then simply hit enter on your keyboard. So this process will also take some time depending on your Windows. Now here's the thing, if you are stuck on a certain or specific percentage, then you can just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard, just an additional info that can also help or that might help you. So once this process is completed, it depends on the Windows for the duration. Then you can just simply close out of here and then finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.